Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you have Xcode or the command line tools installed, because Swift needs the compiler and SDKs. Once done, open Terminal and run Swift version to verify the toolchain. This prevents mismatched libraries later. Next, make a project folder and initialize a package with Swift package. In it, type executable so you have a source layout. These steps start compilation quickly and keep your environment consistent. They also make dependency management predictable as you add code. You now edit the main Swift file. Use VS Code or Xcode for instant syntax highlighting and diagnostics because seeing errors earlier saves time. Once edited, run Swift build to compile your package and catch type or linkage issues. If you want to execute the binary immediately, use Swift run. For automated checks, run Swift test. When adding a dependency, update package Swift and then run Swift package resolve so your package manager fetches correct versions. This keeps builds reproducible. You finish by building a release binary with Swift build C release and moving the executable from build/release into a distribution folder so others can run it. If you prefer Xcode tooling, run Swift package generate Xcode proj and open that project to use the debugger and GUI profilers. If things go wrong, clean the build artifacts with Swift package clean and remove Xcode derived data, then rebuild. This resolves stale caches and mismatched compiler artifacts, which are the most common causes of mysterious failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.